Hello and welcome. Please, after you download the file, open it inside Photoshop. You will find this layer here. To change this design, double click in this smart object. Just double click to open it in a new file. Okay, I have here a sample. Just drag and drop. Delete this, we don't need it, and save and close this too. It's updated automatically here. Now open timeline window, timeline. Okay, and this is a video file, layers. Come here, hit render video and choose your folder to save your video, and choose Adobe Media Encoder here. Select high quality. Okay, and hit render file, render button here. Sorry. Okay, now close this one here. Now we need to export this as an image, so go to file, export, save for web legacy. We need to export it as a GIF file, animated GIF file. Take a while here. That's because the size here is a very big size for GIF or GIF file, so we need to resize this. Okay, so it's finished. Okay, please this let's make it a lot smaller than this. Choose like 900 pixel and wide. Click anywhere. Okay, it's making the same process, but we hope this time will be faster. So we need to make this forever. It will be once here. Make it forever, and GIF file selective. Okay, and hit the play button here to see okay, and press save, and all done. Thank you for watching.